I go show you 1 million people the day they vote at the do party. I go show you 1 million human beings where they stand outside. You go tell me the place you go pass. At the do party for Independence Square or Accra Sports Stadium. The people, you don't know what they go on. You know the people they dey my back. You know the people that's why me I they do the things I they do. I say people make a boy. Small boys when they give you you no get all these small boys they follow Akufo-Addo. No, none of you get vote to give Akufo-Addo pass me. Nobody. If me I want give Akufo-Addo vote, it no be Gabriel Cheda, could not be Chasney Teko. All of you no get vote. It be me get vote. So I go give Akufo-Addo. So me I they do the thing I like, and the thing that they like to go to like. Because me I they tell you the way that thing they I never go change them. You think say Ghana National Security and BNI know they know A+. They know the job I do. They know say me a day ground pass everybody in terms of politics. They know say me a day ground pass everybody. A day ground. They know say me if I need 100,000 people be phone call. I want nobody they talk my matter. Or it thinks they be joke. They social media they do 20. They know say be me they run the people. I go fit tell the boys also make nobody vote. I go fit tell all this make everybody vote go here. Me, I they look for an opportunity to exhibit something, show people. Like I just look for opportunity, like I did then. They say I go talk something. So like those days they do, we they go court, make we go court and come open who BB. Me, I they look for opportunity to call boys and tell them say move. And you see the time that they do Kume Prequantins and this one they do CJ, they go Wongbo demo. Then they take money, they pay people. They find budget. Me, I need 1 Ghana data. You see the thing where they happen for Arab Spring and those things where they happen. Me, I need 1 Ghana data to tell everybody say Ghana know they go well. Make everybody move, come here. You go see something. I want to make somebody try. You go see something. 4 years ago by this time, I drink Calipo. Everybody they drink Calipo. Ungrateful people. They say they go bring some guy from Nigeria. Be come start Calipo challenge. 4 years ago by this time. They go post and I do they drink Calipo. They say this is a car with a Safomafo. I take the Calipo. I put them on Facebook. I say you people say this man get cancer. The same people say they drink carbonated drink. How that be possible? Nanadu meet me say A+ what come as mommy. A+ what come as mommy. I trend Calipo the whole Ghana. No be me chop A1 bread make A1 bread eat. I say me I go feel make the whole Ghana everything go change. It be me be the so it be media no. Mona moye social no. Me media no. Where they paying you. And as some say you can't create some actual. There's some if you read Bible, sometimes Israel people they go war. Where they tell God say, hey, this war we no go fit go. Too many the people they get army, they get so God open their eyes, say, look at the angels around you. Watch angels. Yeah, me I did here. Me I did here. There are plenty angels. And apart from the angels, the boys all day my back la. You want create chaos. I say I want an opportunity to exhibit something, show you people for Ghana. I want an opportunity, like I did, you know. A politician insults me, I insult him back. No, they say, yeah, CID, they look for you. Call me at the camp. And come baby. Me I no go come insult anybody. Remember, yo. We me a me na sadia na Dr. Yansen no ye ne say obi ayame ma ye ni bia na wo say oye big man so mo ko gi ska wo say dia yo meminim no mo fra no pan me da na ya fra me bra police headquarters mo san ye biem nka mo hu police from be raw matter dey see from say A+ they come here we dey support them. We don't know what they do. Me Akufo-Addo na me pen asem see make I tell me I never dey lie about am. Me na do I dey love am just say I dey abo am. And if I meet Nanado today, I go tell and say, Nana, me go. Because when a woman you say yeah, one I will say what you could be protected public person to yam wow. You started out that time. It's no me, I go tell Nana straight, Nana me papa no, and me I have so much respect for Nanado. Me no papa, but me gano. What you say? Me gano. And I mean fancy. Nanado mom kind of pressure no pet. And no problem no. I mean my life it be different. Yeah, you know if you do anything about them. Me nyani will beat you. Me nyani will beat you. Oh yeah, cause yeah. Yesterday, I wake up. You see, they do papa no. Now some of them come to me at Ghana. The whole Ghana. Don't pretend you don't know. Papa no. Everybody they talk. Me, it be me, be the media. Media be never be ya. Ya, when you be on Kaube, ya. When you be on Kaube, ya. We are manka ya. Pray for grace. It's not by J.J. Rollins, and by the power no D president 19 years old. Because I J.J. Rollins on one pay because all your superhuman being to 19 years. I don't be one so. We pay J.J. as more penasimo. Why you say you and we your problem. Whether you like J.J. or you don't like J.J. and we your problem. Nyankopon de adom bia to J.J. Rollins so adom ne da ne so heavy. What you say? If you are Schwarzenegger, and if you are Schwarzenegger, you don't decide what is good in the eyes of God. You don't stop. Nyame catch them my dear men ye. Nyame wan kan kyerem this as of one na de bia na me hu election na we na be win na da bi me nyame a kyerem my dear men ye wo Ghana ha. Me time so me amewu. Me time so me amewu. Want to me nkume. Me time me se me hu nyame wo a wo be try wo be ti ahwe. Oh, yes, a minister bi got na radio so no ko ye yemi wo radio so na me see you. Why na me more than mu. What you say? Me more than mu. Bibia me ye bia na e no asem ti na me yes awo. Got na radio so na wo predict kwa me plus at them. They be say question na wo ye kwa me plus. We ye Nanado campaign na wo ho bi. Ye Nanado campaign na mo career. And na me ti wa na madam for power from so obo se dey na wa ye me. Obo you no do me anything no. You no do me anything no. But when Nanado, you people didn't believe that Nanado can be president of Ghana, we were following him. We believed in Nanado from day one. Nanado campaign, but we had to follow. 2016, MPP Nimbe Betcha me say, or no man Misika say, Minkudi Nanado G. Or I want to make Nanado come tell the whole Ghana say A plus 2016 or yeah campaign, me man one Ghana da. So Facebook will be a baby. Yeah, mu twa kochire na na. Mu twa na nka say A plus throughout 2016 me campaign. Da na ma misika manje. Da na mini so no abema misika manje. Mu nyina na mo nenam ho. Mu wo career, mu follow mo career because mu de mu pe politics. Na do wini ya na mu nyina. Afin mo hu say no abeshim. Me obi eni ho. So if your power in Ghana is by virtue of the position that Nadu gave you, and that's MPP t-shirt now, and they forget you. MPP, those who are somebody, Ghana, be or Ghana, no, then they forget you, small boys. Your mama power kit will be an amoya 20 small boys. Moye, Dano me cancer say, Moye, me wafa, video call about as I am in of friend. National Security Minister, video call, I am in of friend. Go and say, Kwame Plus will Nimyansa. Kwame Plus will make me solve problem. Kwame Plus or Pemasem. I don't know how I come to Nasam, I am in of friend. With them better social media, no more 2020. I tell some of the bar, many a frame you. And when you be on Kaube, ya. As some of the bar, many a frame me. What you have here? When you be on Kaube, and I bring pony will trim, Tina will brand, I bring pony. Me say, ye nyina ye mema. Ye nyina ye mema. Ye nyina ye nye. Me Kwame Plus me nye. Enti me nko kan obi asem say, yes obi akoye. Me nko kan bi. And I'm telling you this this live video, I am telling you that even Nanado don't count another man asem because when it comes to a moral issues, on to me nkaso e clean. Me na make catch Nanado will say, osoro obofo wo wiem heaven. Obofo fi soro e ba asase so e bedi ma ene omo wo giant enu nti na Bible say no and I want to say story no angels in heaven came on earth bedi ma chi ene omo wo giant ene nyame di nsu yi be say wi ase that story monte da enti osoro obofo kura ntumi nka so ye clean monte land na Prince Charles na yere ne Diana no sign tata Camilla Parker afi oja na yere ko ware no Monty, we are seeing Hannah Clinton, Bill Clinton, Hillary, na osan ene Louis Kishisho enti ye nyina mema ye wo wiase no kakra bi na ye clean ye nyina ye clean enti ade no de enye o but me nko kan bi because me kwa me plus am enti me ye clean na sa asam na maka kire mu me ka kire mu wie a makofa ayi say odiga bi wo London odiga bi wo chopo odiga bi na me ka say me ye clean na me say me we grass me ka say me ye clean no na me say me we paper me say me we gas ah some we cry me ti ase ni pe mo say me ti we me ye clean enti me nko ka another man asem wo so say kwa me plus we get bi wo London na me ka say me ye clean no nim say me pa kire say dan me we wo mo enti me nko ka obi asem wo kunu ribi wo papa ribi wo wo fa ribi emema wo wiase bebre na ya nyina yare asofo wore enti munja iso obi asem ba na mo afa no world cup se mwenya obi asem obi wo ho politics no ye no oni limit bibia betumi ama na win vote bia obesa ni nua just for vote bia hiama no bibia obeye just to win just oni limit say ye politics oba ha de me enkoho he munim nkrofofo da me mekuta wa akra munim nkrofofo da the whole Ghana munim no ma miminim but omo push me akodu san level na ma pone ho kakra enya bibia na ye kan me metumi aka asem ba ko won na me ka asem na da me decide say me ka asem ko bi say madam for Kofi Baboni da me decide say me ka asem no asem no me ka wo be start na court na mu nko ha but enkosi hwe but enya asem bia na ye ka enya bia na ye ka enya asem bia na ye ka enti no se papa bi ene obi hihye ho ye ka asem ikura no ye mbo obi din but obi akoye obi a create impression say this particular person enti we nya political capital okoyusu or they ko build upon na ya fa newspaper na ya newspaper no front page daily guide for daily guide mama mka say wo mo am wo daily guide mu nyina mo na fofo no mu aha newspaper no me na me wo fadea daily guide me wo fa Freddie Blay na ne dia na yire ya me godmother but me nka say me fancy da daily guide mupa daily guide now mo de to Friday front page say you are not the son of Muhammad is not the son or a father of your son who said that na mo de to daily guide front page you are only trying to create an impression say it is Muhammad Ghana problem e wo ha nyina daily guide story amutumi ye Miss Bell and Tracy Boachin Tokwa a big newspaper like daily guide na mo daily guide for mu ye clean osoro bofo ye clean nanadu ye clean kwame plus ye clean Kene Japan ye clean daily guide o na me ame of Freddie Blay on ye clean munya ade amuwu amu beko heaven wate munya ade amuwu amu beko heaven ade a wo ye bi no obi ya menkoka ade a wo ye bi no obi ya menkoka ne de no memeti we san ka me ye corrupt and ka me nka corruption asem ena meti we san ka me ye corrupt and ko ma che me de daada ade a wo ye no obi ye bia nkoka because when we leader was ade enu wanum na ndi obi wo baabi na obi ndi obi me na say kra papa bia me nya information say minim say onu kra de na minim say onu kra de kire say onim di say na odi ori say na ori papa secret silent operator smooth operator hey ori god yes obi just we easy o what you say na mo sorry na mo akwatena chese muntumi mfa asema ede oman yi beko nanim politics na ye no ye reduce politics no ente in Ghana parliament kwa minister to me ko gina so ono so kwa papa no o kwa papa no wo parliament floor of parliament papa no won we bi oman ye begina medium enra me catch obi say Ghana NDC NPP on last election on last election on Senyame a percent NDC NPP or Mubako San winning election 2024. I don't have anything to do about it. But me Nyame 2024 NDC NPP be no bit me winning election in Ghana. You bet two or more. I'm telling you for a fact. 2020 year. Me sure say a bad then cry ebi independent candidate bi be yade na election cost second one yetumi put in place for 2024 but 2024 there a straight point and kill no NDC no MPP in 2024 sure na obi win election 2020 way from between 2021 and 2024 we will do everything that the constitution allows us to do in Ghana. Make one plus. Metata buying sa. So we like so and na do be winning to win a plus of then. Mubehu pressure. And ya nia occupy Ghana for kwaye ya. The kwaya if you the akwaji post. Na omu nyina omu ji omani. Say no omu nyina akwaji post into eno ano no. Me say me maka kire mu ato ho. The constitution gives me every right to protest. Na mo beda benya ne na me de nipa 1 million gina circular eya amon koto eyi mon koye ejapa company na mon fa Ghana minerals nyina ma mo sa wo bedanya ne no na me de nipa 1 million gina circular eya aka say wakọ for me company fe na ejapa nti wo Ghana minerals no wo kwaji loan 500 million na wo mortgage ni nyina ma mo de ade ame beye mu okurum ha no wo ade ame ne boys no ebeye wo sa Ghana ha no mo mu ni idea o. So we could 500 million. A Juma we are amount 200 million every year. When you cry 120 million, what's a make 500 million? No more mortgage a Juma indefinitely, like forever. Okay, that's it. By this time you become over 2 years Ethiopia and train. We number 2 years Ethiopia and Timenkasa. Now me sit down, mu better nyania, a nipa 1 million jina crano. A young mumina. Aden. Musimo kwa voters register. Ya ka voters register. Mamu mwaka 200 million. Mamu mwaka 200 million fanye voters register. Voters register ebi wa hodeda. Omu nimu no mumfa omu nka ho. Omu eni so womu munyi omu firim. Musi dabi mu beye. Ye ja ho amu koyeye. Mu ye wie ye mwasan be ka kire se we sun ye nti mu san be yiyi bi afirim. Nti ade na mu yi dada no maboka ati sei. Yet your mind we mu ya shepidua efiri ha e de kɔ ayi ya fra hosen e China hana China for ye export timber to China for omo classroom nyina akonwa wo ho eso Ghana akwara da form na watro akwara da form wo classroom no mo twa ade yet oman ya export timber enkwara da form no matro. Enti Chinese ni no hu say enya mokrom na timber fiba o say yen ya jimi and a problem na koye say Ghana ha no bia suro because wo start say wo kasape amanfo beto manu agusa say a plus odi we ha me din crofo hen what is next me din crofo hen then me want to be stop me wasam na meka mu de ehunahuna ne jimie ehunahuna crofo no bia suro say Ghana ni papa ntumi nkasa ni papa ntumi nkasa wo Ghana ni papa bia suro ne ho okoken ye beye no ni papa bia dwane akɔhye dem na ejimifo tizo no mu ru o my Ghana ejimifo me de meye me da obi beka se wenya me naked video release no me ankasa me nante bia stop me from what I want to do wenya naked video anya ye was secondary school so when be to nante naked akɔ dining hall ye ne ye di anim obi on me call secondary school be anim se kwa me place say na me tear from Kwarabere when you naked video that one won't stop me from talking about human beings drinking water with animals. Yes your man enipa ne mo anu musuo baako enye ese kwa me plus dob. Yes your man and correct trade we ase sua de enye ese kwa me plus dob. Yes your man and correct that from sua de o man ya export timber and correct nya table aye di dua ye and transfer sua de ese kwa me plus dob. Ejimifo ne kwase asem mote ho man kwakrafo we na detective baby ayanko kire nkwakrafo we no 2024 60 years ni bie ni obeka asem wo kuruma wo obie ni ho this is 60 years ni onim nyansa this is obi a wedi 60 and above odwen o my Ghana ho onim nyansa a de bebo o my Ghana yentumi ntra ho nkofo bi nyom adwen so my no mo dia wo time na ye form a big six no ene Kwame Nkrumah be ye independence no ena hwan be ye no nkofo bi be ye bi cool if your time as so say yes, you be ye ne ye Ghana. All it takes for one to be controversial is to be yourself. You are yourself, you are controversial. Media, there is nobody in this country. There is no man in this country There is nobody in this country who can intimidate me. Me, I won't allow you to intimidate me. I won't allow you. And there are so many good people in this country who mean well, who have good intentions for Ghana. They want to help this country develop. There are so many of them who have good intentions for this country. But a few riffraffs, some very useless people, and on Ghana politics now also, and they pretend as if the country belongs to them. And they are the ones who can shout and scream and insult, and they can make politics unattractive to discerning people so that they can enjoy a few days. It's not to come here plus. Me means Robia or my Ghana. Means Robia me buadia keke. Me buadia and penny for my Ghana mu. Me buadia. Me buadia. But sakwa we are ye won wo man mu ha no. E 2 in 1 o. E kwame nkoma ni jeje na dia bom. I'm telling you. And I may be bia me ye bia metiase. Because I have to keep the name alive. That's why plus for your attention seeker. Sure. Now, if I don't have your attention, how can you listen to me? Me new attention. And then I say video create my with them, but me here beach. Me adwuma na me ye na metiase o. Me nim baby amiko me here beach. Once I me da ha me video. O woni pa egu so. Opa akosi en ntese o me live video. Ko rese the person na ehwe. Metiase papa. And I'm talking to you. See, I dey talk to you, the Boys for Ghana. The Boys for Ghana, make I tell you something. Just about a little over 3 years ago, then when John Mahama they come this place, you will see soldiers with armor car, with police, then some gun they top, then they dress like some police people that they go a US Marine where they go Iraq. Serious security. Then today, 2016, we all decided we're not going to vote for John Mahama again. We kick John Mahama out. Today, if they come here, be V8 and some few people they follow him. Now, those days, when I go for they go someplace, it be soldier and it be invoice they follow him. Just invoice, he alone with the party people. Today, when I go for they come, it be soldier and what? You know why? You remove the power from John Mahama and give to Akufo-Addo. All these big men for Ghana, nobody get power. Me, I tell everybody, you no get power. The power belongs to the streets. The power belongs to the people on the street. The power belongs to the chiefs, the Asafwache. If you them get the power, the Sadiki, if you them get the power for Ghana, the Manche, the Asafwache, the Sadiki, if you them get the power, you don't get no power. If we they give you the power to get soldiers to follow you, we can take the power from you anytime that we want. You don't get any power for Ghana. They tell you today. If we give you power, you know be we and Akufo-Addo they work with today, soldier they follow him. You know be people in John Mahama they work when the later soldiers start they follow him. The power they go buy for a Vanuatu where they take them, or be we give them through the ballot box. Nobody get power for Ghana. You know go fit take your power intimidate. The country no be anybody own. Nobody go fit there and decide say he want take Ghana do what he want. The country Ghana belongs to the people of Ghana. Nobody there when he go fit take the country say be own. There I say the power belongs to the chiefs. If you don't get land, if you don't have land, you don't have power. The country belongs to Otunfo because he gets a big land. The country belongs to Yana because he gets land and people. The country belongs to all the Sarki, all the Asafwache, all the 9. If you don't, the country belongs to. And if those people they my back, me I get serious support for it. Telling the people the truth. You cannot do anything. I'm not afraid of you. You don't go to do anything about it. If I show the people love, if I show the people respect, me a day Ghana here, I show people say, this is the kind of person I am. I can lead you to a place that most people won't lead you to. That be why I keep saying I'm proud of it, and I'll say it every day, that even His Excellency the President must remember that when I called A+ and said, A+, come and take money and go and share it for musicians. A+ said, no, I'll bring them, so you give it to them yourself. Because I don't want them to think that I have taken the money, that I've taken part of their money. The president should know who Kwame A+ is. The president asked Kwame A+ to be a citizen and not a spectator. He said he was going to protect the public purse, and he needs me and all fellow citizens to support the public purse. I spent 10 years of my life. I'm talking to you, Your Excellency. You are my father. I'm talking to you today. Maybe you don't know the issues that have gone. All due respect. If I don't respect you as the president of Ghana, I don't respect my father, and I'm not a good citizen. I respect you, I love you so much, and I'm talking to you, Your Excellency Nana Addo. I'm talking to you today. Listen to me, I'm talking to you. Please, Your son is talking to you. Listen to me. I spent 10 years of my life following you, defending you. They say Nanado smokes weed. I said it's not true. And of course it's not true. They are all lies. They say Nanado is a drug addict. He's a cocaine dealer. I say Nanado does not do that. It's not true. They are all lies. And of course it's not true. It's lies. They say Nanado has killed his wife. Such painful event in somebody's life. When somebody has lost a loved one, like a wife, and people say Nanado has killed his wife. I said it's not true. And of course it's not true. But when you became president, I defended you for 10 years. When you became president, I told you that some people are corrupt. I didn't say you are corrupt. I said some people are corrupt. They are destroying your government. I came to you. I spoke to you. People come and say, come here plus, use the right channel. Nana, I came to you. I used the right channel. I came and spoke to you. And later these guys came to attack me. And Nana, after me defending you for 10 years, the same person who was able to clear people who were involved in Australia visa scandal, you have cleared so many people who are involved in corrupt practices. But me that was telling you that your people, somebody is corrupt. You took me to criminal. They're looking for a criminality in me saying that somebody is corrupt so that they'll prosecute me, so that they'll jail me. Nana, I'm not happy with you. I am your son. I'm your son. I'm not happy with you. I bore you. I'm not going to vote for you. I'm not going to vote for you. I tell the boys, say, may they no vote for you. I tell them, you go feel win election, but you no try. I tell you, say somebody is corrupt. Say, but they take and go CID. Then they call me. They say they want to charge me, fear and panic. Then they call me. Then me. After I have put my money, taking bank loans, putting together resources, infrastructure for my business, they say they have cancelled the business. Just because when they gave me a contract, I should keep quiet and chop. And I didn't keep quiet, so they have taken it. Now I have to go and find ways. I owe the bank, I owe this, I have to find ways to pay just because I'm helping Akufo-Addo to protect the public purse. So they put me through a whole lot. And God Almighty, the one who gives grace, the one who blesses a man, the one who opens the floodgates of heaven, he put me back. He restored me to who I am supposed to. Because I mean himself in control. Because I mean himself, Makuma me are fine. Because I mean himself taught me to who I have to be. I'm very content. And you turn back and come and tell me that he's angry. I shouldn't be angry, eh? I shouldn't be angry. I shouldn't be angry. I'm very angry. Because the people don't love the country. Everybody wants to keep quiet and chop. Once you get a position, when you see what is white, say it is black. When you see black, say it's white. Once you get a position, the bad things that you were complaining about is no more bad. Now it's good. Say it's good. Let the country collapse. Let the women give birth on the bare floor. Let children study under trees. Let human beings and animals drink from the same pond. Let women get pregnant like goats and give birth like goats, because goat does not have antenatal. A goat just is crossed by a male goat, gets pregnant, gives birth. That is just how a woman in some parts of Ghana gets pregnant at home, gives birth at home. No antenatal, just like a goat. Once you have business, enjoy. Take care of your family. Forget, let the rest of the people die. Let the country collapse. The youth must rise up. I'm speaking to you. Alhaji Awahab has been telling you this every day. Jenna has been telling you this every day. All of us, we have been talking to you, the youth of this country. Rise up. NDC and MPP, they are the same people. At a point in the history of Ghana, the vice president of Ghana, Rawlings vice president, Aka, was the running mate of J.A. Kufuor, MPP, the opposition. NDC and MPP, they are the same. They do only things that will be in their interest. Things that benefit them politically. How can the vice president of Ghana, Rawlings' vice president, be the running mate of the opposition NDC, of the opposition MPP in 1996? The vice president was the running mate of the opposition because it was going to benefit them politically. They don't care about you. All they care about is their ambition. All they care about is their politics. That is all they care about. We have to rise up against these people. Kwame Nkrumah never died. Kwame Nkrumah is around. He lives in us. In spirit. He lives in all the youth of this country. Rise up. Rise up. You people know the job I've done. You know all the imams for Ghana, they love me. Look, I go Shukura. They are Alhajis, the imams up there, they come out. They say, Kwame plus, come make we pray for you. Nobody there anywhere. Nobody. There is nobody. If you want vote, tell the youth the truth. Change your ways. Change this country. This country can be better. We are not going to continue this 8-year cycle of NDC. Kwame plus, my yamia and change your shade. My yamia and change your shade. Kwame Plus, you cannot change anything about Kwame Plus. The boys love me. The boys love me. It is not because I am a better person than anybody. It is because of the grace of God. It's because I've told them the truth. It's because I've been consistent since 2001 when I released this show that make a Kanyo. I've always been this person. I have never changed, and people have seen it. You can lie about me. You can go and say whatever about me. You can say that this person is doing this. Kwame Plus is doing whatever. You can say whatever you want, but me, I will never change. I will live. I will die for this country. This country no Ukraine. We are MPP niya. Mopa. Mon kanchira me say. Obi a mon fra francophone na me mbie kiwe. Mo MPP mon fra mon share video na me mbie kibi. Me be bie kibi kra. Me ga kra. Mon share video mpese me bie kibi. Ma me mbie nwomre na nkosoro kakra na mon share kakra mpese me bie kibi. Eso ne ya. Se wodi tu wonu mo na sa. Mon share video mpese me bie kibi. Me bie kibi se se ya. Enyi ma wonyanko. Sa wonwi. That key way I may be a bear for between ya, but me be a key. Most of video na me be. Yes, I know the party. My mom can't tell me. Make I tell you people something. You see, Asalam down. You see, Krole Krote. You see the place they call them Krole Krote constituency. Asalam down, Adabraka, Circle, that area. You see that area? I swear, the MPP candidate where they go lose. He go lose. Akufo-Addo self no go make him win. Akufo-Addo no go support him. If Akufo-Addo say I the liar, make the guy win. You know why? Because Akufo-Addo go leave give Rawlings in daughter. Yeah. If you me talk. And they share help scratch my back, make I scratch your back. So them people they did there, they waste their time. But those boys I they feel them PP boys they did there. They be smart. They be smart guys. You see the life. You see the life. Akufo-Addo and Rawlings, they get deal. That place, Akufo-Addo go leave Hanami Jama Obano. And Akufo-Addo no go there in campaign. So now, you know that thing we are doing right now. I push him and I do for go and support the boy for them. If the MPP, he be the president of Ghana. If the MPP man, then if I go support the MPP guy for them, I open the key. That be same. They tear the NPP because so many people were not happy with Rawlings. But when it benefits them politically, they will all support. All of them, they will support because it will benefit them. So Akufo-Addo will leave that place. Even though it be MPP, they go like make Rawlings in daughter win. That be the way the Rawlings know they like Akufo-Addo and matter. He support Akufo-Addo. That be why Akufo-Addo, he win election, he know say, he they thank Rawlings. He they thank him for what? You know be in support, he they thank him for. He they thank him for his support. So they tell the youth of Ghana, say, listen, and this MPP, they be the same people. They be the same people. Don't follow them. And they tell the youth for Ghana, say, and this MPP, they be the same people. Don't follow them. In 2020 December, the day that they vote, where they look for boys to go carry ballot box, all the boys will go meet for one side. All of us, everybody, Abbas Sarki, Abbas Jiwa tell you the boys, say nobody for go fight for politician. Nobody. All the boys, everybody. We they meet for one corner. No boy they go carry. Make Akufo-Addo and in daughter and Rawlings and in daughters and a party whoever. Make they go carry ballot box. Don't fuck yourself. Don't fool yourself. And they tell you today, Akufo-Addo and Rawlings they be one people. They be friends. Akufo-Addo win election. The first person he say thank you to. No be me Kwame Plus who has spent 10 years. Me no mention my name. They go do inauguration stuff. Akufo-Addo no mention my name. Now they support them, but I no mention my name. Because my support no be as big as Rawlings in support. It be later where Akufo-Addo can write for in social media say he make mistake. He forget to mention my name. So now they can't mention my name. But he thank Rawlings first. They play their own game back door. Medina MP come tell people say, if you go fight, there will be a problem. He and Zoro go, they be friends. That be how the game day. So young man, open your eyes. You the people where you there in this MPP, young guys, so you be party food, polling station, whatever. When they bring you money, take go buy land for Kaswa. When they bring you money, take go buy land for Amasama and Bukwase. Take go buy land for Committee 25. Don't go and share the money for anybody. Nobody came to power with a check. Holding money. Sharing is our own money. Every money they are sharing is our own money. When they give you the money, chop it. Chop it. Don't go and share your money for anybody. It is your money. It's your tax money. Nobody came to this country. They didn't burn anybody holding one Ghana. Don't make anybody fool you. This year, make nobody die for anybody. I tell you this one. Huh? They can't tell them. Bibi besi wa Ghana. Bibi besi. And this name people and trample that. They be doom. What can I say? Ghana for you ready? When I Ghana for yani your hey. It's just here to about mama. Then they be see. Something will change. Something seriously will change in Ghana. The change that we call for every day, 28 years of calling for change, has been a change from NDC to MPP. NDC to MPP. Now this change that we are calling for is a total dismissal